How to add contact form in WordPress Elementor. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now, as you may know, adding contact forms in Elementor is a paid version. If you want to go ahead and do this for free, I have an alternative for you. I am inside my WordPress dashboard right here, and all you have to do is to go ahead and navigate through plugins. Inside plugins, you can just go ahead and search for Fluent Forms. And from here, you then want to install this specific plugin with the 3 lines and its color blue. Go ahead and click on it, click on install, and you should be good to go. Now, right after that, you then want to go ahead and open this specific plugin, and you can then go ahead and add your contact forms without any hassle. You can then go ahead and add your name, contact form, or any information without coding. You can just go ahead and drag them inside your website. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.